This cinnamon roll icing is so easy to make and you can make it in just 3 minutes. You will need only a bowl and a whisk and only 4 basic ingredients to make this delicious cinnamon roll icing. And you can make it in 2 simple steps. The first step is to mix all the 4 ingredients together, and the next step is to add more milk according to how thin or thick you want your icing to be. So let's see how easy it is to make this cinnamon roll icing. Into this bowl, I'm adding 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Whisk and combine them all together. I like to whisk it until it's pale in color and less dense in texture. And now we got a thick cinnamon roll icing. If you like your icing to be of spreadable consistency, you can spread it over warm cinnamon rolls and can enjoy delicious cinnamon rolls. But I'm not stopping here. I'm reserving almost 2 tablespoons of this. I like a more rich, creamy, milky and less sweet icing for my cinnamon rolls that will soak all the cinnamon rolls. So I'm adding a little more milk into this, adding only a little, about 1 tablespoon at a time. So now I've added 2 more tablespoons of milk into this, and we got a thin icing of pouring consistency. I'm pouring this delicious icing over warm cinnamon rolls. They will melt and seep into the layers and soak all the cinnamon rolls. Serve these rolls while they are still warm, and if you love more icing, you can double frost it with the reserved icing. They are so good, filled with the delicious aroma of vanilla and cinnamon. And to make this squishy soft cinnamon rolls, I've used our quick cinnamon rolls recipe that requires only 1 proofing, and so we can make them in less than 2 hours. I've shared the link to quick cinnamon rolls recipe in the description box below. And if you want to make this icing ahead of time, you can make them and store it in the fridge. I've shared how easy it is to reactivate it and also about ingredient substitutes in the blog post. I've shared the link to icing recipe also in the description box below. I hope you found this recipe super simple and easy to make. Hope you will make this at home for the holidays, and I'm pretty sure everybody will love it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love cinnamon rolls. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.